Hi, Todd Hansen here, Assistant Warranty Manager for Charleston Homes. Wanted to talk to you today a little bit about some things with your furnace. A couple of things with your furnace. We always want you to try to check your furnace filter once a month. A very important thing to do with that is to switch your unit off, which is that side switch on the furnace here. Come down here to where your filter is. You can pull your magnetic strip off and you're able to access your filter. You want to pull your filter out. You want to check and make sure that it's clean. If it's dirty at all, make sure you get it replaced. That makes your unit work as efficiently as possible. It also keeps the most airflow going to your house. This filter here has just been changed, so it looks really good. When you put it back in, you want to line up your arrows. On your home, we probably have a tape arrow on your furnace, as well as probably an arrow on your magnetic strip. There is also an arrow on your filter itself. If you see here on this one, there's an arrow here that says airflow in. Airflow always goes into the unit. Put that back in here and get it seated. Put your magnetic strip back on. Then you can turn your unit back on with the switch. A couple other things to think about with your furnace. We have dampers, and we have dampers on individual ducts that go to individual areas of your house. If you have a ranch home, these will go to individual rooms on the main floor. If you have a two-story, we have a trunk line that goes up to the second floor as well as one to the main floor. Those have dampers on them. In a two-story, it's very important to make sure that you adjust those dampers per the season so you're not cooking yourself out upstairs or freezing yourself out on the main floor. That's just something that you want to do depending on season with your comfort level of your home. One other thing, on this furnace unit here, we have a whole house humidifier. On some of your homes, you may have these installed at walkthrough. Others, you may have them put in after the fact. One thing with these are very good units for your home. They kind of keep humidity levels in your home where you want them to be, kind of between 35 and 45%. With these, it's very important to monitor the humidity level in your house. You cannot just set the humidistat on these at a certain humidity level and expect it to stay there. Always kind of have a little barometer in your house with your little humidistat. That way you can see what your readings are. You constantly have to adjust these with the outside temperature. Couple of things with these. During the winter, you always want to make sure that your damper on this is on so that the airflow comes through here back into the unit so it actually works. In the summer, you want to make sure that you flip this to off. That way you don't have any airflow going across this. One thing you can also check with these is over time, there is a media in here that you can check to make sure that these aren't plugged. You can take your cover off and they just pull off. This is the media inside. The water comes up and goes across this. Airflow goes across, and that's what evaporates the water to make humidity for your house. Over time, this can get clogged up with minerals from the water. You can get these at local home improvement stores, something like that. Just want to make sure that this is kept clean for you so that it works properly. Other than that, that pretty well takes care of it. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact Charleston Homes at our website. Thank you for watching and have a good day.